know what she's doing. She's cleaning my sock. And when I take the sock away, she gets nasty. Eva, that's my sock. What are you doing? You want this? There you go. You can have the sock. What are you doing? I'm not... I think she knows that bag when it's full of clothes, it means I'm going somewhere. We're going to see my uncle soon. And I think she's mad. I think she's taking shit out of my bag on purpose. Because before she had my toothbrush. What are you doing? Ah! You're being silly. Can I push you? Can I give you a little push? Oh! That's a no. Go ahead, go kill the sock. Go kill my sock more. I don't understand what she's doing. Like, that came out of the wash like yesterday or the day before. Man, what are you doing? Eva! You can't, I mean, I know I need to feed you in like a half an hour, but you can't be that hungry. What the hell are you doing? That's my sock. This is my sock. Oh, you really want it. You hardly get that silly. What are you doing with the sock? Oh, she's never done this. We don't give her catnip. What are you doing? Hey, Eva. Why are you doing that? Alright, whatever. I'm concerned, but I mean, she could ruin one of my socks. I don't care.